Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So I wanted to do another video for you guys today on the Ad Copy Pro system because I feel like a lot of people are not taking advantage of this opportunity. Okay. Again, Ad Copy Pros is a system where you get access to pre-written ad copies. Now, if you guys use Facebook for your marketing, you'll know that Facebook ads are very popular and very huge, right? And one of the things that you have to have for your Facebook marketing is ad copy. Now, again, with the Ad Copy Pro system, you get access to pre-written ad copies which you can use and customize for your business opportunity, okay? Works for any business, online, offline, however you want to do it, all right? So I'm going to show you again some more of the benefits of Ad Copy Pro, okay? So you can see here, and you see the message there. It says that these ads can be used or edited to promote ACP or any business, okay? So gives you a little bit of a cheat sheet also. Well, I'm not going to go into that right now. You have your trigger words here that you can use, words and phrases. That's just a couple of them there. It also gives you a run of your weekly post. Hold on for a second. So it gives you weekly posts that you can use also, and more in the headlines, basically, right? Your ad copies, if you will. Now, I know with me, I tend to struggle sometimes with ad copy myself. So this is actually a gift, all right? It gives you the format. It gives you ad copies that, like I said, you could customize for yourself, for any business that you know that you're in, all right? Let's say, for example, if you're in MCA, you can use these pre-written ad copies. You can customize it and say, for example, post ads that convert and generate $80 per sale for you, 80 up to, let's say 80 up to $160 per day, okay? Just an example of things that you could use for your Ad Copy Pro, from the Ad Copy Pro system for your business, okay? Like I said, MCA, Lead Lightning, Unique, anything like that that you need ads for, and you need ad copy for, this can help you with that because it gives you the groundwork for your business, okay? So again, you have those there, and you have a whole bunch more here. You have Facebook posts and tweaks that they give you as well. They give you scripts for cold calling, and they give you email scripts as well, okay? So again, the value that you're getting through this system is incredible, okay? So I'm just gonna close that, and I'm gonna go close this too. So this is the back office here, right? To customize your payments, okay? So like when I say payments, right? For you to get paid, for example, you could use whatever payment processor you want. I use PayPal because I trust PayPal more, so I stick with them. And which also was good for marketers. It allows you to create a PayPal button, which I've done already, okay? And you could have your automatic activation return URL put in there as well. So any payment processor, whether it's Cash App, PayPal, Stripe, however you want to use it, you could put it here, okay? So let me close this again. And we'll go back to the system pages, okay? So as you saw, I just showed you the pre-written copy. This is the way you would access that there. You get a lead capture page, track your visitors, video sale page, referral URL, and login URL, okay? And also at the bottom, you can also try build a role through them as well, okay? So this is basically the $25 level, all right? This is everything that you get here at the $25 level. Now, there is another level, that's the $100 level. However, as of right now, the $100 level was taken down for now. It'll be back up eventually, but for now, it was taken down. It has to be worked on, has to be fixed, excuse me. So they're working on the kinks right now in that level, but it will be back up at some point, okay? So, again, take advantage of this, guys, all right? Now, it is a one-time payment of $35 to access the system, okay? Hold on for a second. Let me close this out. I'm going to put the camera back on me if I can. No, I don't think I can. All right, never mind. All right, $35 one time, guys, okay? The value, like I said, that you're getting through this system, the pre-written ads, the capture page, video sales page, all that stuff, is a steal at the price. And this, because there's no monthly fees, that makes it even better, okay? So do yourself a favor. Take a look at the system. I'll post the link below for the video so you can watch the video, see the testimonials from many other people that use the Ad Copy Pro system for themselves, and see for yourself why this system is rapidly growing day by day. You know, people are making money with it day by day, okay? Guys, I'll catch you on the next video. You take care, be blessed, and have a good one, all right?